Hello and welcome to another plugin review. This one is called Advancement Announcer. Before we begin video, be sure to check out our host, Berrybyte. They are a very reputable and very good host, and let's begin. Now you might be wondering, what does this plugin do? Well, it's pretty simple. It announces messages in announcement toasts, if you can call them that. It's actually a pretty simple plugin to set up and to use on your server. So for example, to test out if it works, you do AA and then type which style you want. So let's say challenge, goal or task. Let's say we want challenge. Then you set the item you want to show up in the announcement. So for example, let's say redstone, we want redstone torch. Okay, what is redstone wall torch? Okay, we're gonna test that, whatever it is. And then you can specify if you want to direct the announcement message to player or all players. And as you can see, there are a few preset messages that you can edit. So for example, let's do Discord preset. Unexpected error occurred. Okay, hold on. There we go. So apparently the redstone wall torch didn't work. But as you can see, in the top right, it showed up announcement screen. And yeah, challenge complete. Join our Discord server, Discord GG, your Discord. And you can customize those messages to whatever you want. But there is one simple limitation. And that limitation is actually you can only use, the space you have provided. So for example, this, as you can see, challenge complete. I changed a bit and added line 3 and 4. Which will result in that looking, rather crazy and not right. But yeah, that's basically how the plugin works from the server side, and from the config side, it's actually also pretty simple. As you can see, you have your presets, you have your auto announcer, which you can set up to auto announce on intervals, and you can change it to be ordered or random, and basically you can add as many messages with the styles, icons and text as you want. And yeah, then you have language files, or how does the messages display in your chat, but that's mostly for admins. But yeah, it's a simple, interesting plugin that if you want to, have a different take on announcements, I would recommend you check. Also, one important thing that I didn't mention, auto-announce messages. For example, if you set it up here, it will only work, for auto-announcer. But if you want to manually send out the messages, you add them here, the one you seen me run through the commands. So yeah, those up are for your manual message sending, and this is if you want to make it on interval. But yeah, I hope I cleared it out so there are no confusions. But yeah, that was just a rather simple, quick, to the point plugin showcase. It has simple configuration, it does what it says, and what else do you need? If the plugin works, perfect. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Leave a like, share, subscribe, and do what you do best. Stay awesome. Bye!